Today we're going to demonstrate how to do an impact specimen in the TensileMill machine. For our specimen, okay, the first thing we're going to do is set up the tooling, then install the specimen and do the 4 sides. So to set up the tool, the milling tool, usually we use a 1/4 of an inch milling tool, insert it into the collect, and then we're going to measure about 30 millimeters here, no less than 30, so the tool does not crash with the jigs. So we put no less than 30, we tighten it. We check it in. Okay, this one is about 35, which is fine for us. And then we give it a good tight. Okay, after we have the tool secure, we're going to measure the tool length using this tool length measurement device. Okay, and then lower the tool until it touches. Slowly now. This is best done with the hand wheel. Okay, just the little light. Now we go to the control. We press the custom key, S1, and we go to maintenance, jig plate setup. Now on the right hand side you see the tool sensor. Now we're touching the tool. We're going to input on the tool sensor length, we're going to input the number 46. That's 46 millimeters. This is the magic number that will give us the correct tool height when machining parts for these specimens. Okay, now that we put 46, we just press measure C and the tool is set. Okay, we remove the sensor and we proceed to make the program. To make the program, we go to the home screen, we choose impact specimen. Okay, on the right hand side, we're going to have all the dimensions of the impact specimen. First one is the length, 55. Second one is the specimen width. Okay. That with 10 millimeters. The specimen thickness, another 10 millimeters. Stock length. This is going to be the length of the original stock, which in our case today is 69. It will just depend on your stock. Again, the stock width 13 and the stock thickness 13. Okay. The next one is an interesting one, positions loaded. On the left hand side, we can see that we can do up to 8 impact specimens. The first one is on the left down corner. If we choose one, we're going to machine just that one. If we put like 5, okay, you can see that this went green. We're going to machine these 5 specimens. Okay, but we're going to do just one because we just have one on the table. Okay, we have the specimen here. Okay, fairly square. To make these things easier and so we don't get confused, we're going to mark these sides with numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's very easy to get confused, So we got all the specimen marks. And then on the side, we put A and B. Well, once we do production, we probably don't have to mark it. This is one for we're learning. So on the screen, we have the 4 programs that we're going to use. Once you set the dimensions, you set the mode to auto, and then you choose which program. We're going to do first side, second side, third side, and fourth. Okay, so that coincides with the numbers that I got here. So first side, we put this one in front, and we run the first program. We just press first side. Okay, then we install the specimen. With the number 1 facing out and the letter A facing out. Number 1, letter K. And then I press cycle start. Now before we remove it from the jig, we're going to mark it again, just so we don't lose it. A and 1. Now we take it off. And we're going to do side 2. Let's take it over this. And we just tighten it there. All we do is click on program inactive, then make it active. We press cycle start. We start machine phase number 6. Okay, after we finish program 2, we're going to mark number 2. Make sure we remember which one it is. Then we remove the part. Okay, and we're going to do phase number 3. Okay, we're going to do phase number 3. But we're going to turn it over. So we have the A towards the jig. We already machined the A. We want to machine the B at the same time as phase 3. And because we have phase 2 already machined, we want to not tighten the set screws directly on the part and put the shim just to make sure we don't mark it. So we have the 3 to the front and the B to the right, the B face. The B face is the one that we haven't machined. Cycle start. Third program. Choose third program and do cycle start. Renumber 3, same number, and then B here. And finally, we turn it over. And we do number 4. You can do B face outside or A face outside. It's indifferent. You see? That's why I have the numbers so I don't get lost. Number 4. Or setting the set screws over the machine part, so we don't want to mark it. Push very well so it fits in the back. Okay. Program number 4. Cycle start. It would be a good idea to mark it anyway, even though we finished it. Well, it's nice to have it marked, so when we measure, we know where we went wrong, if we did. Okay, that's a complete machine part. Okay, the dimensions. Okay, perfect. And that's it.